Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. It's Medina, and today we'll deliver an interesting topic. It's a sneak peek inside public speaking. Oke, nah hari ini aku bakal bahas topik menarik lainnya, yaitu tentang public speaking. Sedikit hal tentang public speaking yang mungkin bakal aku share di sini, dan back then sama juga kayak video sebelumnya, aku bakal minta nih opini teman-teman terkait dengan topik ini di akhir video nanti. So please stay tuned until the end of this video. Oke, nah kayaknya kalau we talk about public speaking, all of us has known about it. Nah, I wanna ask you now, what is public speaking in your opinion? Okay. Yeah. And next, why public speaking is important for you. Kalian boleh nih buat video lanjutan tentang pertanyaan ini, atau mungkin boleh juga nih comment below on this video. Ya, ditunggu komen-komennya. Okay, so yeah, I do believe that all of us has our own opinion about the importance of public speaking. And in fact, public speaking is around of us. We can find it at home, at college, at society, at work. Dan faktanya adalah kenapa itu jadi penting, karena kita nemu si public speaking ini dimanapun kita berada, guys. Kayak di rumah, di kuliah kita harus presentasi, di rumah kita juga harus kayak gimana sih cara nyampein kenapa kita ke orang tua supaya bisa diterima, nah gitu kan. Atau ketika kita sedang bermasyarakat nih di luar, kayak kita sedang KKN, pengabdian, atau mungkin kita simple kayak kita berada di lingkungan tetangga nih, kita harus gimana ya cara berkomunikasinya. Dan apalagi di dunia kerja, nah ini perlu banget tentunya. We really need this one because of somehow ya guys, our atasan itu kayak mikir tentang karyawannya itu bukan sekedar what we can do, but what things that we can improve in another side, selain dari beside of what we are doing at work gitu. Jadi kayak what things that we can do more than just about what we do now gitu. And the question is, how public speaking can help you gitu kan. Kita udah tahu nih kalau dampaknya tuh banyak dalam kehidupan kita, but how public speaking can help you now. So faktanya adalah it helps you think critically and globally. Jadi dengan public speaking kita tuh kayak terlatih untuk bisa berpikir lebih kritis dan juga secara luas, dimana ini sangat membantu banget nih buat kita memahamin banyak permasalahan di sekitar kita dalam lingkup yang lebih universal. Jadi kalau misalnya ada masalah, kita bisa nih lihat dari sisi satu ke sisi satu lainnya dan bisa ngambil keputusan dengan baik. And then it really helps us to convince others. In fact, at society, we really need to convince others when we have any argument or any topic to talk. Gitu kan, apalagi if we work in a marketing area, I mean, like, we really need to convince others that our program is really good, and it really needs public speaking skill. And then I really want to know, how about you guys? Gimana nih menurut kalian? What things in life supposed to change because of public speaking? Jadi hal apa sih yang kiranya tuh berubah dalam hidup kalian karena public speaking? Okay, now I think that all of you have your own perspective of that one. But the next question is how to start so that public speaking can help us now. So I have several tips that maybe it's useful for us. First, strengthen your why. I remember that I've ever watched a TED Talks video about why dari Simon Sinek. Nah jadi katanya gini guys, sesimpel kenapa sih orang tertarik beli produk itu karena mereka tahu tuh kenapa mereka harus belinya gitu. Nah sama kayak why we have to strengthen our public speaking skill just because we know why. We know that why we have to do that, what things that we want to achieve, maybe several years after this one, gitu. Dan kadang banyak orang yang jadinya males buat belajar lagi karena mereka nggak punya alasan yang kuat nih buat bisa kenapa sih aku harus belajar gitu. Nah, now I really want to urge you, strengthen your why and then do it. Second, make sure you choose a good path in it. Jadi pastinya semua orang itu dalam berkembang punya komunitas masing-masing nih teman-teman. Dan komunitas ini rata-rata adalah berfungsi untuk menjadi tempat bagi kita untuk tumbuh. Dan congratulations for all of you that you are already in here. Jadi thank you banget kalian sudah ada di sini. Hopefully ini bisa jadi platform dimana kalian bisa ngembangin nih public speaking skill kalian. Kayak yang pernah aku bilang di pertemuan di awal, sebenarnya video-video ini aku prepare supaya teman-teman tuh tertarik untuk bisa speak up apapun itu, sesimpel apapun itu, di mix kayak yang aku lakukan juga nggak apa-apa. That's why I really want you to speak up your opinion loudly. Don't afraid to be wrong, because everybody in this world is wrong at first. Semua orang tuh bakal salah di awal. Nobody's perfect at first, guys, so just try it. And then the third one is don't take it too hard. So make public speaking sounds easy for you with your own style. Jadi pasti kita punya gaya belajar masing-masing. Dan I really want you to do it in your own way. Jadi don't take it too hard, guys. Please don't take it too hard. Kalau mungkin yang aku bilang sekarang it sounds too hard for you, you can adaptate it. Jadi kamu bisa adaptasi itu ke caranya kamu, kemudian do it. And last but not least is speak now. Now, literally now. Jadi jangan tunda apapun, speak now. Terserah kamu kalau misalnya nggak berani untuk speak up di social media atau di platform yang umum, boleh just speak up into your in front of your mirror. Boleh speak up in front of your mirror, boleh speak up di kamar mandi kamu, atau boleh speak up di kamarnya kamu. Simple kamu bilang kayak, "Hi guys, now I feel about this one. It is because about I can't do this, or maybe it is because about I have a really amazing birthday now." Terserah kamu bilang apa, at least you speak and then try to give your opinion, and just it. So I know that public speaking, it sounds really hard for us, it sounds really hard to do, but I believe that we all can do this, at least if we try. So now or never, choose that. It is on your own. Semua ada di tangan kalian yang pilih kalian mau sekarang atau nanti. So I think that's all about our video, and see ya in the next video, guys, and hopefully please comment below or make another video about your opinion today. Bye.